Lightning connector to 3.5 mm jack adapter cable. Crystal clear, lossless audio transmission between headphones and iOS devices. Easy plug-and-play usability. Works with all 3.5 mm headphones, microphones, and speakers. Compatible with devices that support iOS 10 or later, including iPod Touch, iPad, and iPhone. Compact design makes it easy to bring the adapter along with you for work, travel, or everyday use. Top reviews from the United States. Great for music with no Bluetooth. Works great for copying music or interviews when Bluetooth isn't available. Works great. I bought the same thing off Amazon from a different seller and it wouldn't, but my phone calls through my car. Got this one and it's amazing. Thicker alternative to the Apple version. I bought this adapter because 1. The OEM Apple adapter felt a little flimsy, although it has always worked fine, and 2. This one is black so it matches my phone and my headphone cable. This adapter checks both boxes. It matches my other items and it feels a little thicker and more robust. Sound quality is equal to the Apple adapter as far as I can tell.